Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can always highlight the items in your environment in Path of Exile 2. In order to do so, here we are in Path of Exile 2, and what we're looking for is in the menu here where the three lines are. If we click that, you can see here that we can also select options with O. We're going to select options, and with the menu that comes up, we're going to make sure that we are on the interface tab and that we're scrolled down here about halfway, a little bit more than halfway. You're going to see here where it says always highlight. Right now it's checked, and always highlight, it says items and objects such as chests and waypoints will always be highlighted. So you can see that by deactivating that, we can no longer see the checkpoints and the waypoints. It just doesn't stand out as much. So we're going to go ahead and keep that checked and then hit save. And once you have done so, then everything will remain always highlighted. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.